So now let's go inside the cave. This cave is we call it Kang Caramel Cave, where all the Japanese hiding on World War II. So let's go inside, guys, and see. Ta-da! Unsa ni? Oh, look at this stone, ha? Don't look at that rocks.
Okay.
It's from this water. The water is dripping on this. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's a lot of bats. There. This is where Batman lives. He's living here. He's staying here. So, look at that.